Hi there. In this session, we are going to discuss about IO operation in Python. In any programming language, there should be an input output operation. The reason being, programmer not always assigning that input for the program and try to execute that program throughout that execution with the static data. The data are supposed to come dynamically. If you want to read the data dynamically, there should be an input which is coming from the external source of truth. Then only that data is supposed to be dynamic. There's a one way of giving a data dynamically to the program is giving a input through keyboard. For that, we have a different command which is available in each programming language. Like that, Python also has input and output function. The output function which is displaying on the screen already we seen in our previous session. That is nothing but print open bracket close bracket, and then you can give whatever the data as an argument into that function. But in the input one, which we are going to see today in detail. Okay, so without further delay, we'll go and write some program for input output operation. So already I created the file. So the input, see, in other programming language, even giving a instruction for the input, we used to give a separate command. But here, in the same command, we can give input. I'm just giving enter name. So I'm just directly storing that name into that variable. So now mark equal to input same thing like I'm going to do for another mark that I'm storing into 2, and I'm adding I'm going to print those values. Okay, I'll execute this program, and this program has small catch in it. You'll understand when I'm executing this program. Okay, I'm entering a name. See, this is not happen as a sum, it just concatenated. The reason is, I will show you why. I'll display the data type, then you'll understand. You know, right? What is data type? How to display data type? You guys know, right? See, execute this program again. See, this 80, 85 is concatenating instead of adding. The reason being, first variable created a string variable. That's fine because it's a name. Second variable also created as a string. Third will be also created a string. That is the reason the concatenation happening when do the plus operation. How to see? We know, right? If you want to convert data as a different data, you can suppose, yeah. So I'm just converting as a int at the time of reading itself. So now if you execute this program, then you will see the different output. See here, now 165, 80, 85 years. So everything is created as an integer. See here, it's everything is created as integer. Okay, so what do you need to understand that the input operation always read the input from the keyboard as a string. That is the reason if you want to convert, if you are feeding a different type of input, means you need to convert the respective input type using that function for data manual data conversion, or otherwise it will always store as a string. That you need to understand. Hey, thanks for your time. Like and comments this video. Please subscribe Quick Bits and click bell icon for more videos from Quick Bits.